Hey guys, this is Mom and Angel TV. You are welcome to my channel. Today I will show you now how to do body scrub. This body scrub when I talk about, so you go take away the black spot when dey your skin. You go make your skin also shine. Okay? And the ingredient we need not pass lemon, olive oil, and brown sugar. Anyway, you can also use the white one. But me, I dey use the brown one because now wetin I prefer. Now wetin I like. Okay? If you like the white one, go for the white one. No problem at all. So, and this one are my container, my jar when I want put the body scrub after I don't do everything. Okay? So now let's go. This one are the sugar. So if you want make am, if you know say now the small, that is the one just one small. So you just need to put like 3 or 4 spoon. Okay? 3 or 4 spoon is it. Okay. This is my 4 spoon of the sugar. Don't know if you can see it. This is it. Okay. Then for this lemon. For this lemon, if you want to do plenty quantity, want to do many, you fit use the full one. But if you want to do small one, you go cut it into 2. You divide that into 2. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is my lemon. Okay, then you have to take away the seed with the inside. Okay, then you squeeze that inside. You put inside the sugar. You put the water inside. Okay? Squeeze it inside. Okay, this is it. Then what the next thing you go do, you go mix them together. Okay? Go mix the 2 ingredients together. Go mix them. I don't know if you can see it. Okay? Then go take your olive oil. This is the olive oil. Go put olive oil inside. One, not too much. Okay? Don't let the olive oil too much. Okay? Then you go still mix it again together. Okay? You mix it together. This is it. Okay? Very easy. You mix it together. This is it. I don't know if you can see it better. This is it. Okay. With this with this scrub, so go just take small like this. Okay. Just take small. See. You use it to scrub your body. Don't know if you can see it. Okay, just scrub your body. With this one, you are good to go. Like, you can use it twice a week. Twice a week, no more than twice a week. Because if you too use them, for me, it's not too advisable. But I use my own twice a week. Okay? So I no go come too much for your skin. Okay? That is it for now. Thank you for being here. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not subscribed before, please subscribe. And God bless you. Like and share. Okay? God bless you.